Hello friends, welcome to AapBhiBatao. Are you ready to explore who was first Indian? Let's start together. First question, who was India's first Prime Minister? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Second question, who was India's first president? Answer is Rajendra Prasad. Third question, who was India's first female Prime Minister? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Fourth question, who was India's first female president? Answer is Pratibha Patil. Fifth question, who was India's first astronaut? Answer is Rakesh Sharma. Sixth question, who was India's first field marshal? Answer is Sam Manekshaw. Seventh question, who was India's first woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer is Bachendri Pal. Eighth question, who was India's first woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer is Karnam Malleshwari. Ninth question, who was India's first Test cricket captain? Answer is C.K. Naidu. 10th question, who was India's first Chief Justice? Answer is H.J. Kania. 11th question, who was India's first women Chief Minister? Answer is Sucheta Kriplani. 12th question, who was India's first individual Olympic gold medalist? Answer is Abhinav Bindra. 13th question, who was India's first Olympic medal winner? Answer is Kashaba Jadhav. 14th question, who was India's first woman to win a Grand Slam title? Answer is Sania Mirza. 15th question, who was India's first female Chief Justice of a High Court? Answer is Leela Seth. 16th question, who was India's first female IAS officer? Answer is Anna R. Malhotra. 17th question, who was India's first female IPS officer? Answer is Kiran Bedi. 18th question, who was India's first woman to win a Booker Prize? Answer is Arundhati Roy. 19th question, who was India's first Nobel Prize winner? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. 20th question, who was India's first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Answer is Mother Teresa. 21st question. Who was India's first woman to fly a fighter jet? Answer is Avani Chaturvedi. 22nd question. Who was India's first woman to become a union minister? Answer is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. 23rd question. Who was India's first IAS officer? Answer is Satyendranath Tagore. 24th question. Who was India's first woman to win a Grammy Award? Answer is Tanvi Shah. 25th question. Who was the first person to reach the summit of Mount Everest from India? Answer is Avatar Singh Cheema. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.